Hello everyone. Maths for Thursday, week 6. Here we go. More than one way to name a fraction. This is about renaming. I think you guys know all about renaming whole numbers, but when it comes to fractions it can get a bit tricky. But let me demonstrate maybe the first two of these, and we can you can see what to do for the rest. Okay, so here we go. Just make this a bit bigger. More than one way to name a fraction. Name the coloured fraction in two different ways. Here we go. So the whole of this is made up of, this is the whole that I'm circling, and it has how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So we know that the fraction is probably going to be in sixths, and the denominator always tells us how many parts that the fraction is broken up into. If this was a number line, if you could imagine it, there's the 0 and there's the 1 whole. Okay, so here we go. Two of the parts, as you can well see, are shaded green. This is easy. This is easy stuff for you, yeah? So you know that how many parts are shaded, are coloured? 2 out of the 6. But what we're also might be aware of is that there's other ways to divide this up, that this fraction 2/6 is actually equal to another fraction. So what I'm going to do is circle in a different colour, of course. I'm going to circle the 2 that we have, and if I actually look at how many there's if I use that as one unit now, that is just one group, and then I can circle another group. There's 2, and then there are 3. So if I was going to do this, there's this group, there's this group, there's this group. What should my denominator be here? How many groups have I got with between 0 and 1? I've got 3 groups, and how many of those are shaded? You bet one of them is shaded. I might do the next one too. Number 2, name the coloured fraction in two different ways. Again, we've got to look at all of this as the whole. Now I'm going to count how many parts there are, equal parts there are in the whole. There's 1. There's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Easy. I know that my denominator is how many groups it's been split up into. So we've, at its most, we've got this split into 12 different groups because there are 12 different crosses there. How many of those are shaded? I'm going to just circle those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded. Out of those, there are 6 out of 12 shaded. What's another fraction we could do for this one then? That's equal to 6/12. How many times does 6 go into 12? And if your answer is twice, so there's one group that has got 6. Oh, look at my tricky shading in. And I'm making a big group of all of the shaded ones. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the non-shaded. So that means I've broken the whole up into 2 groups. And if I've broken it up into 2 even groups, then that is my denominator. How many groups are shaded? 1. One of the groups is shaded, 1 isn't. And there you go. I hope this is a help to you to fill out the rest of it. Do your best, and thank you very much. Bye.